This is the elevator here at LL Bean, Westfield Orchard in Skokie, Illinois. Got a Schindler 338 to ride. It's hospital size HT with VR. When was this installed? Can read it as 2009, but I'm not sure. All right, we're gonna go to 2. 2 hours locked. Okay, here at 2, down to 1. Ooh, one other is open. Let's get a cab now. Pretty basic cab for an LOB and elevator. A little nice with a black one. Never seen a 338 that's been all black. I'm not sure when was the last time I seen one. Indicator, HT VR buttons. 45 push-button capacity. It's got 2 panels on each side. Ring the bell. Okay, there goes the rear door and there goes the front door. And that's it.